Hi everyone, my name is Rebecca Banks, and we at Emory Moot Court Society hope that you're staying safe, healthy, and sane during this strange transition period that we're in right now. And we know the extracurriculars, and maybe moot court in particular, are furthest from your brain, and we understand. But we want to take a minute to encourage you to fill out that Stengy competition application form, because moot court is a crazy great experience, and we want you to be able to have that experience as well. So we just want to take a minute and let you all know what are the reasons why we chose moot court and what we love about it.
I joined Moot Court mostly to gain more opportunities with employers, but I've really gotten that and so much more out of the program. Not only did I gain in my oral advocacy skills and my legal writing skills, but I've really just had so much fun and I've made a bunch of new friends. It's been the best part of my law school experience so far, being a part of this program. And even though my team didn't get to compete this year because of the pandemic, we're just going to take all of that unused energy and put it into the competition for next year so that you guys can do the best possible job you can in Los Angeles. We're going to have so much fun. Can't wait to meet you all, and good luck in your competition.
I chose to join Moot Court because I love to compete and I wanted to improve my oral advocacy skills. Abby. Even more than that, Moot has provided me with the opportunity to improve my brief writing and was always received well when I would bring it up in interviews.
I chose Emory Moot Court because as a 1L, I wasn't sure what extracurricular I might be interested in or if I was interested in an extracurricular at all. I've gained a great friend in my Moot Court partner as well as in the other members of the society. Additionally, I've had the opportunity to work with people that I had not worked with before, to get feedback from my peers on my performance, which I valued very much, and to just get a different experience as someone who had not worked in a setting where I had gone to court before or gotten the chance to argue in front of a bench. Moot Court provided me with that experience.
It's easily the best decision I've made in law school. I think it has improved my legal advocacy skills much more than any class could have, or much more than reading any casebook can.
I love the competitive aspect of Moot Court. It is fun to compete after working really hard to write a good brief, working really hard to prepare with your coaches, with your partner, and then just to test yourself against other schools. And also, as a third year, it's hugely rewarding to be able to coach and work with other people and help them get to that point.
My Moot Court experience was honestly the best thing I could have ever hoped for. That's definitely because I loved getting to be a part of my team and getting to know them. Shout out to sports law. They really made the experience for me. You get really close and bonded with your team. You spend a lot of time with them, and it kind of makes the law school feel like a more, together kind of place.
And my favorite part about Moot Court has definitely been learning about a new area of law that I would not have known much about. It was really cool to have an immigration law problem and to really dive deep into the law and become a mini expert in that topic. So I really loved it.
You get great exposure to important people in the legal community, such as judges, through your own Moot Court competition, as well as through Emory's Moot Court competition.
My experience with Moot Court has been amazing. I was able to go to New York to compete, where we made it to the finals, and I got to argue in front of a Second Circuit judge and 2 federal magistrates in front of a crowded auditorium, for which we lost, but we got a cash prize. And it was a really fun time.
We competed in Miami, New York, and I had the absolute best time, and it's been the best experience of my law school career.
And I got to learn all about how stocks, bonds, and securities litigation works. Now, I know that might sound boring, but I actually came to love it, and I never would have known that if it wasn't for Moot Court. In fact, after graduation, I'll actually be going into an area of law that focuses on securities. I am immensely proud of the accomplishments that I was able to make in Moot Court, and I think it shaped me as both an oral advocate and a law student moving forward.
Not only did I develop skills that were transferable to my jobs after law school, such as oral advocacy skills, research skills, and writing skills, I also built a community with the Moot Court Society. I know that the law school experience can feel pretty lonely. You take exams by yourself and it's a very individual experience. But with the Moot Court Society, I was able to become more social, meet people that are now my really close friends at Emory, and create a community from that, a support system, which honestly we all need in times like this. So that is why you should join Moot Court.